Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian made his first foreign visit to Iraq since taking office. Hours before the visit, a rocket attack was launched on the U.S. diplomatic facility in Baghdad. It is not clear who is responsible.
Iran's reformist president Masoud Pezeshkian embarked on his inaugural overseas trip by visiting Iraq. Upon arrival in Baghdad, a special Red Regiment was deployed at the airport to honor Pezeshkian. Iraqi Prime Minister Mohammad Shia Sudani warmly welcomed him with an official ceremony. Subsequently, Pezeshkian held a meeting with Iraqi President Abdul Hatif Rashid at the presidential palace, where they engaged in discussions covering bilateral relations and regional developments. The productive talks resulted in the signing of approximately 15 memorandums of understanding between Iran and Iraq. Additionally, Pezeshkian expanded his Iraqi itinerary to include visits to Najaf, Karbala, Basra, and Erbil. This decision puts his visit in the context of the heightened tensions currently experienced in the region. Coincidentally, just hours before Pezeshkian's arrival in Baghdad, a U.S. diplomatic facility in the city was attacked. 2 rockets landed near Camp Victoria, where American forces are stationed close to Baghdad airport. The party responsible for this attack remains unknown. According to the Iranian-backed Kadib Izbulu, the assault aimed to disrupt Pezeshkian's visit. Necessarily, Pezeshkian, who assumed the presidency in July, possesses a moderate political stance and seeks to enhance relations with neighboring countries, including Iraq. Meanwhile, Iraq finds itself navigating a delicate balance between the United States and Iran. Due to its dependence on Iranian natural gas for meeting its electricity needs, Iraq maintains close ties with Iran. Moreover, Iran's influence extends to Iraq's Shia population and various Shia militia groups. Nevertheless, tensions between Baghdad and Tehran are escalating due to Iran's strained relations with the US. The culmination of this tension was witnessed when Iranian commander Qasem Soleimani was assassinated during a US attack at Baghdad airport in 2020. This event nearly pushed Iran and the US into a full-blown war, with Iraq trapped in between. Presently, as Israel's attacks on Gaza continue, Iran and the United States find themselves entangled in a fresh wave of hostilities. The US accuses Iran of launching attacks on its bases in Iraq and issues threats of retaliation. Given this intricate background, the timing of President Pezeshkian's visit to Baghdad assumes critical importance. It closely follows the US's announcement regarding the timeline for withdrawing its military presence from Iraq. Currently, the US maintains 2,500 troops in Iraq as part of its anti-ISIS efforts.